First episode, investigating the impact of alien civilizations on human development. In the hallowed halls of educational institutions globally, the pages of history books unfold narratives chronicling the evolution of humanity across centuries. As children, we absorb these historical accounts almost reverently, seldom questioning their veracity. However, beneath this veneer of certainty lies a profound uncertainty, a recognition that what we've come to accept as historical truths may be shrouded in ambiguity, not due to any intentional obfuscation, but perhaps because the annals of time have eroded the certainties we seek. Consider the enigmatic pyramids, magnificent structures that have stood as silent witnesses to the passage of millennia. The prevailing narrative attributes their construction to the ingenuity of ancient civilizations armed with rudimentary tools, such as hammers. Yet, a closer examination casts doubt on the feasibility of replicating such monumental feats even with our contemporary technology. The logistical challenges, including the transportation of multi-ton stones, prompt a reassessment of the conventional explanations. Moreover, the absence of telltale signs, such as smoke stains from fires used for illumination deep within the pyramids, raises intriguing questions. If ancient Egyptians relied on firelight to adorn the walls with drawings and paintings, why does the archaeological record not bear witness to the residual evidence of these illuminations? While the pyramids in Egypt are emblematic of this mystery, similar perplexing structures are scattered across the globe, each posing a challenge to the narratives enshrined in conventional history books. Instead of confronting the unknown, it appears more convenient to weave elaborate stories that align with established narratives, perpetuating a cycle of partial understanding. On the flip side, the acknowledgement by governments that we lack conclusive knowledge about the origins of these ancient marvels opens a Pandora's box of possibilities. Does it imply the intervention of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization, or could there have been a pre-existing human civilization with technological prowess surpassing our own? Looking ahead, as humanity contemplates venturing to other celestial bodies like Mars, a shift in perspective becomes evident. Establishing a sustainable presence on distant planets necessitates a reliance on local resources rather than transporting everything from Earth. This shift prompts a reconsideration of timelines associated with ancient structures, challenging preconceived notions about the technological capabilities of their presumed creators. The intrigue deepens when we consider the colossal monuments that still stand today, marvels of construction that surpass our current capabilities, yet the tools used in their creation remain elusive. The very absence of these enigmatic tools raises questions that echo through the corridors of time. It is a testament to the paradoxical nature of these ancient wonders, structures that defy the limits of our understanding, crafted with a precision that challenges our modern engineering prowess. One cannot help but marvel at the thought of the architects and builders who undertook such colossal endeavors, seemingly without leaving behind a trace of the tools instrumental in their creation. In our quest for answers, we find ourselves confronted with a historical riddle, a puzzle that defies simple solutions. Were these tools of such advanced design that they have eluded our comprehension, or is there a piece of the puzzle missing from the narratives passed down through generations? The very notion that monumental structures, such as the pyramids, were erected without leaving behind tangible evidence of the tools used raises profound questions about the technological sophistication of the ancient builders. It beckons us to reconsider the boundaries of human achievement and ponder the possibility that, in our eagerness to unveil the mysteries of the past, we may be overlooking crucial elements that could reshape our understanding of history. The absence of these tools in the archaeological record invites speculation. Did the architects possess knowledge and techniques so far ahead of their time that we are yet to grasp their intricacies? Or does the missing link lie buried beneath layers of history, waiting for the curious minds of the future to unearth the secrets concealed within the sands of time? In essence, the very mystery of the missing tools becomes an integral part of the narrative, prompting us to question not only the origin of these extraordinary monuments but also the nature of the civilizations that gave rise to them. The allure of these ancient constructions lies not just in their grandeur but in the enigma that surrounds their creation, an enigma that continues to captivate and beckon explorers, historians, and archaeologists alike to delve deeper into the realms of our shared past. In conclusion, the mysteries surrounding these ancient constructions, which seem to defy our contemporary understanding, underscore the gaps in our knowledge of human history. This invites a critical re-evaluation of the narratives presented in conventional history books.